In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace and diagnose a Salesforce error using debug logs. We'll start right inside Salesforce. First, sign in to your org as you normally would. If you're already on an error screen, you'll notice an error ID displayed there. It's a string of letters and numbers. Highlight that error ID and copy it. Keep it somewhere handy. We'll use it to pinpoint the exact spot in the logs where things went wrong. Next, click the gear icon in the top right to open Quick Settings, then choose the Advanced Setup option. This takes you into the setup area where you can configure logging. On the left, in the Quick Find search box, type Debug Logs and select Debug Logs from the results. This page lets you capture and review detailed events that occur when a user performs actions in Salesforce. Before we reproduce the issue, check whether the user who triggered the error is listed. If they aren't, click New to add them. Set the start and expiration times to cover the period when you plan to test. The logging will only capture activity within this window, so make sure it includes the next few minutes. The default log levels are usually fine for troubleshooting most errors. Now go back to the part of Salesforce where the issue occurred and reproduce the error. Do exactly what triggered it before. This forces Salesforce to write a new log entry under that user, capturing the steps that led up to the failure. Return to the debug logs page and look for the newest log associated with that user. Click View to open it. Inside the log, use your browser's search, Ctrl+F or Command+F, and paste the error ID you copied earlier. Jump right to that match. The surrounding lines are the most valuable. They show the sequence of events, the code units, database operations, and any validation checks happening just before and after the failure. Read around that section to identify the cause. Common culprits include a missing required field on a record insert or update, a validation rule that blocks the save, a permission or sharing check that denies access, or an apex exception such as a null pointer, unhandled DML error, or a callout issue. The log usually indicates the object, field, or class and method involved, which helps you decide the fix, whether that's adjusting data, updating configuration, or reviewing code. Finally, if the issue requires Salesforce's assistance, provide the error ID to Salesforce support. With that ID, they can look up backend logs and correlate exactly what happened in your org, speeding up resolution.